Good morning. Hope you all are doing well this morning. Today is Tuesday, May 10th, in our devotional. Today it says, "What would Jesus do?" And that is a phrase that I like to use in every situation. We need to stop and think, what would Jesus do in this situation? So I know I'm going to enjoy this one this morning because I just love that phrase. It's something to think about all the time. So, the first one, Matthew 19, verse 21. Jesus answered, "If you want to be perfect, go, sell your possessions and give to the poor, and you will have treasure in heaven. Then come follow me." Luke chapter 9, verse 59 and 60. Then he said to another, "Follow me." But he said, "Lord, let me first go and bury my father." Jesus said to him, "Let the dead bury their own dead, but you go and preach the kingdom of God." Mark chapter 1, verse 17. Then Jesus said to them, "Follow me, and I will make you become fishers of men." Luke chapter 9, verse 23 and 24. Then he said to the crowd, "If any of you want to be my follower, you must give up your own way, take up your cross daily, and follow me. If you try to hang on to your life, you will lose it. But if you give up your life for my sake, you will save it." Matthew chapter 16, verse 24. Jesus said to his disciples, "Whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves, take up their cross, and follow me." And John chapter 8, verse 12. Jesus spoke to them again, saying, "I am the light of the world. He who follows me shall not walk in darkness, but have the light of life." And at the bottom, it says, Jesus was a passionate man who didn't cling to heavenly status or worldly possessions. He rose up against injustice. He rose early and set aside time to pray. He didn't care what people were going to say because he ate with the tax collectors and sinners and lepers. Jesus lived outside of the box. To him, the important people were children, the poor, widows, and those who did not know God. Maybe that's exactly what you must do to follow him. And that's good. We should always think, what would Jesus do in this situation? Because Jesus, he wasn't a rich man. He wasn't, he spent more time. In other words, he spent more time thinking about others and their needs, and bringing the lost to know his Father. And that's what we should be doing. We should put aside any differences that we have. We need to focus on him. Just like yesterday morning, we need to focus more on Jesus and what he wants and what we should be doing to tell people about him, to talk about him, to help others to focus more on him, because that's what's important. Nothing we do in ourselves, nothing is more important than talking to someone about Jesus. So I encourage you to go out today, and if you can't go out, that's fine. If a telemarketer calls your house today, try to talk to them about Jesus. Just try to talk to someone about Jesus today, okay? I love you guys very much. I hope you have a very blessed day. And as always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.